In this video we explore protocols, a Python feature that lets you describe the shape an object must have without forcing it to inherit from anything. When you write a function that just needs an object with a .read method, you do not want to force callers to inherit from a specific class. Protocols let you say exactly that in a way type checkers understand. Think of a protocol like a USB port. The port defines the shape it expects. Any device with the matching plug just works, with no paperwork and no shared family tree. We import protocol from the typing module, then define a class called readable that lists one required method, read, which returns a string. The 3 dots mean this is just a declaration, not real logic. The display function asks for a source of type readable. A type checker will verify that whatever we pass in has a .read method that returns a string. No inheritance from readable is ever needed. File simulator and network stream share no base class, yet both satisfy the readable protocol because both define a read method. We pass instances of each to display, and it works perfectly. Running the program prints data from file, then data from network. Both classes passed the test simply by having the right shape, a .read method that returns a string. An abstract base class requires explicit inheritance, which locks out classes you did not write. A protocol only checks shape, so any class with the right methods qualifies automatically. Protocols give you the best of both worlds, the flexibility of duck typing and the safety of static type checking. Define the shape you need, and any matching object just works.